Let me show you how to do a factory reset on any G-Shock watch. So if you need to maybe clear some settings, reset all data or wipe data, or maybe something is off with the watch, if it's not working properly, we can very easily return it to the factory state. So clear everything, it will be a brand new watch essentially. And the way we do it, first make sure you actually are in the time menu on your display. So you see, if I press the mode, I can switch between the different menus. So make sure you are in this menu where you can see your time and date. Next, we're going to simply press and hold the display button. So again, simply hold this upper button. So it might also be called a set button. So you see till it blinks like this. And then we are going to use this button on the opposite side. So this upper right button. And we are going to simply press and hold it. Okay. Keep holding. Okay. And once you see the clear all, like stop blinking, we can simply release this button and basically everything is wiped from this watch. And you see it even asks to set up from fresh. So if you do not want to set up, so you can simply press this button over here again to go back. So you see it's a brand new watch essentially that we have to set up and also pair with the phone. Also, yep, this process also will unpair it from the phone app, so the Casio watch, so the G-Shock Move, whatever you have. So again, completely brand new watch. Anyway, good luck. By the way, if on your G-Shock you also need to resync the analog and also digital time, so if the arms actually do not match the digital time, I have another tutorial that I will place in the description, so simply check out that link.